Anna decided to go grocery shopping at the local supermarket. She made a list of the things she needed: bread, milk, eggs, and some fruit. As she walked into the store, she grabbed a shopping cart and started down the aisles. First, Anna headed to the bakery section. She picked up a loaf of fresh bread and put it in her cart. Next, she went to the dairy aisle to get milk and eggs. While Anna was picking out a carton of milk, she spotted a familiar face. It was her neighbor, Tom. "Hey Anna, how's it going?"
Hi Tom, I'm good, just doing my grocery shopping. What about you?
"I'm doing well, just grabbing some stuff for dinner." "What are you shopping for?"
I'm getting bread, milk, eggs, and some fruit. What about you?
"I'm picking up some veggies and chicken. I'm making a stew tonight."
That sounds great. Enjoy your meal.
"Thanks. Have a good shopping trip." Anna smiled and continued shopping. She selected some apples and bananas from the fruit section. After she had everything on her list, she went to the checkout. The cashier scanned her items and Anna paid for her groceries. "That'll be $25.50.
Here's my card.
Thanks. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
Anna packed her groceries into reusable bags and left the store. She felt happy with her shopping trip and was ready to head home and prepare a meal. Anna decided to go grocery shopping at the local supermarket. She made a list of the things she needed: bread, milk, eggs, and some fruit. As she walked into the store, she grabbed a shopping cart and started down the aisles. First, Anna headed to the bakery section. She picked up a loaf of fresh bread and put it in her cart. Next, she went to the dairy aisle to get milk and eggs. While Anna was picking out a carton of milk, she spotted a familiar face. It was her neighbor, Tom. "Hey Anna, how's it going?"
Hi Tom, I'm good, just doing my grocery shopping. What about you?
"I'm doing well, just grabbing some stuff for dinner." "What are you shopping for?"
I'm getting bread, milk, eggs, and some fruit. What about you?
"I'm picking up some veggies and chicken. I'm making a stew tonight."
That sounds great. Enjoy your meal.
"Thanks. Have a good shopping trip." Anna smiled and continued shopping. She selected some apples and bananas from the fruit section. After she had everything on her list, she went to the checkout. The cashier scanned her items and Anna paid for her groceries. "That'll be $25.50.
Here's my card.
Thanks. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
Anna packed her groceries into reusable bags and left the store. She felt happy with her shopping trip and was ready to head home and prepare a meal.